Ready northwest. Northwest now. After this, northwest on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every nakon. I missed. Come back muna. I fucked up. Come southeast. Get out muna. Buksan nyo muna isang wall. Ang daming guards. Ang sakit. Masakit yung guards. Bonk nyo lang muna.
18% pa.
Okay lang. Food up pala. Food up. Kago. Food up nga. Food up now.
Prepare stacking again, ha?
Okay. Spread more. Okay. Cooldowns. Keep bonking.
Ready.
Yeah, guys, I'll do engage. I'll be engaging, ah. Try mo mag-kidnap ulit.
Di pa ba mag-OC?
Right, ready.
Mamaya na.
Pulling in 3, 2, 1.
Ready, northwest now in 3, 2,
Hindi ko na pull.
1. Northwest now. Come back. Let's come back.
Na-purge ko.
Basag na yung heal front.
Basag.
Okay. Ready, guys. Hold lang kayo. Wait for my engage. Kill his guard first.
Miss Pierce, nag-engage siya.
Yeah. Kill that guard first. Cooldowns, be ready.
Yung carving na nasa loob natin, west side natin carving.
Okay.
Dito pareho ko.
Okay, kidnapin nyo. Sige, go, chase. Chase that guy. Hindi ko kaya pahayaan ano. Chase that guy. Patayin yan. QC lang. Heal front, boys. Ready, guys. Pagkapatay niyan, ready. Guys, ready. On top of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every count. Kill this guy. Nice. Come southeast. Enig. Nice, Enig.
Pwede ka manghila ulit.
Come in. Kill the guards. Everyone, come in and kill. Come in. Spread southwest.
Kikidnapin ko yung soul site, ha?
Spread southwest. Sige. Spread lang muna. Ang sakit yung guards.
Sa west natin.
Masakit yung guards.
Kunin mo. Hilahin ko rin.
Yeah, patayin niyo muna to. Mag-engage ako dito sa loob. After nitong Guys, papull yung mobs dito lahat. Guys, ready on top of me? Yeah? Hold on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone. Count. Okay, hold here. Hold the front. Spread southwest more. Guys, i-roll nyo lang yan. Pakipatay to, please. Pakipatay lang yan. Kailangan mamatay lahat ng guards dito. Be careful. I need someone to watch the flank, ha? Kill the guard, please. Kill all the guards. Itong guards sa southwest, oh.
Shaper stacking.
Okay, shaper stacking, ha. Be ready for enigs. Okay, kill the guards. Okay, good. Kill everything else. Shaper, defensives. Ready, northeast, guys. Ready. Northeast now on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come back. Kill. Patayin nyo muna. Ay, may isa pang mage. Akala ko isa lang. Ito. Yung nakamark. Patayin nyo lang yan. Hold. Ito, guys.
Guys, block na. Nasa is block na.
May ibon. Spread southeast more. Boys. Spread southeast more. Kill this, please. Nice. Ito, tama. Yung mga guards dito. Guys, yung mga guards sa northeast. Ito mga guards na yan. Pupull ko yung guards pababa, ah. Ayan, pupull ko, ah. Ready defensives lang, ah. Pasabi kapag stacking na.
Stacking na sa akin, Shaper.
Okay. Ready defensive. Go southeast pa. Patayin nyo lang to. Then mag-engage ako northwest.
Shaper na. Ayun na.
Okay, ready. Guys, northwest now in 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Northwest on me. Nice. Come back, defensives. Enig, boys. Enig. Nice enig. Nasa northwest pala sila. Sige, mamaya titirahin ka. Nice defensives. Don't die. Okay. Pabigay nga yung banner sa akin. Ano yung banner?
Pwede na mag-OC po? Mag-OC ka na.
OC na.
Napag yung sound ko.
Okay. Pa-check na lang kapag bamba. Tatry natin engage yung ibon. I'll try
Minsan north side pa din,
Gusto ko yung ibon. Pag lumapit yung ibon.
Yung ibon? Ano yung pangalan ng ibon?
Ay, 40.
May mark sa akin. Nakalimutan ko ito.
Northeast, no?
Stacking Shaper.
Anong direction?
Engage yung Shaper from northeast.
Okay, guys. Sige, ready lang. Inaantay ko yung ibon. Nakamark sa akin yung ibon. Ayan na, ito na yung ibon, ah. Ready sa ibon, ah. Pagka lumapit yung ibon, ah. Alam niyo na. Bonk lang. Keep bonking.
Patanim man nga ako ng bulaklak dito sa tabi ko.
I'll pull the bird. Stacking na yung bird.
Try.
Ayan,
Ready, guys. Ready engage, ha. Ready engage now.
Pulling na.
Next time, 3, 2, 1. I missed then.
NT. Pwede pa spam ng ano mo, Agan. backline.
Sa akin yung
Pabok,
shaper. Yeah.
pabok. Energy Shaper looking. Okay. Just be ready to,
no.
be ready to. Energy Shaper, any gun me. Puta, wala siyang damage. Never mind. Don't. Kaya ko tangkin, kaya ko tangkin. Kaya ko tangkin. Hindi, ako, naka 8.3 ako. Pagka tagilid ako, mag-heal ako. Oy, spread southwest.
Yung isa yung loko sila, i-pull ko.
Ah,
Yung nasa northeast mo. Ready? Pulling in 3, 2, 1. Pulling now. Ayun! Go!
Oh, wait, nag-net armor.
May timer, sayang.
Armor. Guys, shallow. Guys, on top of me. Northwest in 3, 2, 1. Every northwest now. Goodness.
Shaper, nagkas na yung shaper. Kinansel.
Yung shaper nasa northeast. Okay lang. Ang hina ng damage sila. Ba't ang hina ng damage sila? Hello?
Hindi pa nagkakas yung shaper.
Nade-debuff.
Hindi, yun na. Hindi, ano yun? Light color na nasa taas.
Light
Yung
color
taas.
Keep
May pull ulit ako, Kip. Gusto mo.
Hindi.
Open.
Bigyan nyo na lang. Bonk days lang yung southeast wall.
Sa akin yung shaper,
Okay, spread southwest boys. Spread southwest. Okay, hold here. Antayin nyo mag-engage yung shaper. Okay, ready. Come in. Everyone come in. Ready. Stop nyo yung northwest. Ready, northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the bird. Northwest now. Damage northwest. Nice. Kidnap people. Come back a bit. Bird. Looking bird. Hold. Kill the guards. Keep killing the guards.
Tang ina mo ba?
Pwede ako manghila.
Keep killing the guards. Q's and Robinson in the sky. Ditang sa front.
Direct on the stairs, agony. Cube.
Yeah, ditang sa front. Pakipatay lang yung guards. Pakipatay yung guards. Ditang sa front. Ang laki ng space natin dito, guys. Take all the space.
Hard nerd stacking sila, hard nerd.
Okay, spread lang. Ditangs lang. Watch lang. Yeah. Okay. Just hold here. Pakipatay lang yung guards. Pagkapatay na yung guards.
Uy, shaper oh.
Sino na stacking shaper?
Chill lang kayo. Kasi pag nag-ibig kayo counter, patayin nyo muna lahat ng guards. Patayin nyo muna lahat ng guards. Shallow on me. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. It's okay. Ang guard lang yung kailangan ko. Come back. Kill the guard, bro. Defense is on me. Nice defensives. Oh my god, the Fernie. How? Kill the guard. Reggae. Almost. Nice. They lost 1. Cooldowns. May cooldown sa kayo? Guys,
Ready.
cooldown sa? Ready. Position guys. Step up. I'm gonna go northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Oh my god, bro. Spread. Come southwest. May mage pa. Come southwest. Ang ganda. Ingat all pa. Gambak muna. Pakipatay yung guards. Guys, pakipatay yung guards lang.
South guards. There's still one cross.
Yung north guards, guys. Pakipatay yung guards. Pakipatay lang yung guards.
Yun tayo
Ready?
manghuli.
May cooldown sa kayo. Everyone have cooldowns. Okay, come. Step up a bit. Step up. Ready. Come northeast a bit more. Northeast. Wag nyo i-pull yung mage. Northeast. Hold. Come southwest.
Yung shaper
Southwest muna. Come southwest. Takbo. Ready guys. Shallow northwest on the mage. 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Nice damage. Come back. Kite. Nice.
Sa tawa.
Okay, cooldowns. Sige. Cooldowns muna. Tell me. We're gonna engage again on the mage. Guys, we're gonna engage on the mage. Ready. Cooldowns. Okay, ready guys?
Ready.
Northwest on the mage again. Northwest now on the mage in 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Patay niyo ibon. Nice. Patay ibon. Kill the mage. No. Come back. Kite boys. Kite. Please heal front. Heal all pa. Nice. Come southeast. Hold here. One more engage. Yeah, okay. Ready. Antay ko yung shaper. Come southeast lang. Southeast lang. Mag-engage tayo after that. Hold. Ready, guys? Hold. Come back. Leash nyo muna. Z. Leash muna. Guys, ready. Again. Boys, on the mage now. Northwest on the mage on the GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On min. One more engage on the mage and he's dead. Come back. Guys, come back. Don't die, please. Don't die. Do not die. Kite. Keep walking, boys. Patay na yung mage, boys. Patay na yung mage. Ready. Guys, ready. Cool down. Dito stop them. Guys, ready. Come northeast deep, boys. Northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast down. Kill this guys. Roll them inside. Roll the ones inside and spread. Spread. Defenses. Nice defense. Roll the ones inside of you, boys. Brawl. This is full to. Guys, brawl lang kayo. Come south. Asakit yung guards. Come south.
Agani, spam.
Naman kay Shaper ah.
Ready. Come south. Spread south. Ready northwest, boys. Ready. North deep. Hold. Guys, on top of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone down. Crowd kill. Kill this guys. Brawl them. Bro, wala nang mage. Brawl them. Just keep rolling. Brawl. Defensive. Nice defensive. Now kill the ones inside of you. Ready, southwest, boys. Ready. Cool downs. Ready, boys.
Ready.
Yeah. Southwest now. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Northwest. Kill this guys. Kill guys northwest. Ito. Patay nyo na to. Brawl nyo na to. Yung nila, tank nila, oh. Patay na, please. Okay, we're done.
Di ba mana mo?
How many casualties?
Sila ba ni
Yung
healer
shaper,
inside?
pumapasok yung shaper.
Uy, galing dito, yun. Be careful. Come northeast.
Ayun, patay to.
Sundan nyo na. Chase, boys. Chase. Ito yung shaper sa harap ko, 7.3.
Ano mo, di ka sa...
Preload. Patay nyo na to. Ready, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Dami soda.
Oo, pauna mo lasit.
Uy, atin. Okay.
Okay.
No!
Mandap. No.
JP mo na iwan.
Come southwest. Yeah. Come southwest. Ready, guys. Hold. Ready, southwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Damage on me. Then come southeast. Roll them. Spread. Roll them in spread. Don't let them go to the Terry. If they're in the Terry, spread more. Spread more, boys. Spread more. Spread. Just roll them. Come southeast. Regroup with me southeast. Regroup with me southeast. Defenses. Come northeast. Come southwest.
Malayo ka.
Push southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Damage on me. Come pull them into the choke. Please. Nahuli sa DC. Pull them into the choke. Come southeast. Gago, natatalo tayo sa... Come northeast ka. Ditang try to stop them. Can you guys put them out of the reserve, guys? Come northeast, please. Come northeast. Keep going northeast. Regroup na tayo. Maghanap kayo ng choke, please.
East side mo.
Come east. Get heals.
Seven.
Guys, ready. On top of us, guys. Yung mga nandyan sa northeast. North on me. In 3, 2, 1. North on me. Then come northeast. Keep going northeast. Keep fighting northeast. Get heals. Na-wipe tayo sa ano. Come northeast. Keep going northeast lang. Guys, paano tayo nanalo sa... Defensive, boys. Come northeast. Defensives. Oh my god. Full run. Guys, hindi ko gets. Get out.
Ang daming nagsasalita kanina. Ang daming nahuhuli.
Hindi. Ang di ko talaga gets, bakit ang daming naiiwan sa castle doon sa Terry? Bakit na-late yung bomb squad? Bakit na-late si Olpa? Leave. I don't know, man. Okay na eh.
Hey, in-engage na nila ako. Wala na silang shit.
Ready. Guys, stop them. Stun. Anyone stun?
I have harpoon if you want.
Guys, ready. Northeast in 3, 2, 1. Northwest down. Northwest on me. Damage.
Nice.
Kill this.
Shaper engaging, shaper.
Kill this guy. I didn't tell you guys to kite. Come in. Push. Get out. Everyone get out. Ready. Cool downs.
Ready.
Get your second foot. Ready, northwest, guys. Ready. Go deep. Stop them. Hold them. Do whatever you want. Northwest, boys. Ready. Northwest now. On the DPS. In 3, 2, 1. Everyone count. Kill this guys. Full push and roll. Full push them.
Spread yung zerg mo, ah.
Northwest.
Master got me working.
Habulin nyo
Someday
to.
master set me free.
Oo, gago ka ba? Sige, ngayon ka mga ako. Ngayon ka mang tayo.
Days never finish.
Gago na noob trap.
Master got me working.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Soldier helmet pa.
Come on, party to.
Yung escalation ng iyo.
Party to, come on.
Ano to?
Yes, let's go.
Nice one.
Akin ka!